Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into SurePayroll employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up a web browser. Now in the web address bar, type in www.surepayroll.com. SurePayroll is a small business payroll company which provides easy online payroll services and HR services. Here, in order to log in as an employee, go and click in the login option in the top right corner. Then you'll come across the login page where you can log in as a business account or an employee account. For employee, go ahead and enter your username. And if you've forgotten your username, you can click on this forgot username or password link and follow through the instructions. If you don't have an account yet, click on the username instruction link. Then after providing your username, click next and enter your correct password. Again, if you've forgotten your password, then you can click on this forgot username/password link. Finally, click on the employee login button in order to access your SurePayroll employee account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.